Okay, guys, so awesome evening to each and every one of you. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Thank
Nice.
you.
Shakreen, Ishita, Arcida, Funny, thank you so much
Thank you
for
so much.
joining.
Thank you,
Thank you for
ma'am.
the magic. Thank you for the Rhonda Byrne for writing a beautiful book which is helping millions and millions of people. Right? So today we are going to read chapter number 11, 21. So welcome to day number 21. Magnificent outcomes. Magnificent outcome. In one of the sessions, I gave you one clue like, what is this about? So, magnificent outcome. So, what do you see on my screen? There is this beautiful door, and this magic, some kind of magic is happening on this door, right? So, what did I understand from this picture? It's like there are many doors in our life, and we have closed all the doors for ourselves. So now, slowly, gradually, with the practice of gratitude, we are going to open all those doors, opening the doors of opportunities, opening the doors of good health, opening the doors of good career, opening the doors of, beautiful relationships, right? So slowly, gradually, with the practice of gratitude, your all the doors will start opening. So see, beautiful door and beautiful magic is happening. Okay, so here we go. You say grace before meals. All right. So whenever we take any meals, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, before that we say thank you. That is a kind of grace, gratitude, right? So you say grace before meals. All right. But I say grace before the concert and opera, and grace before the play and pantomime, and grace before I open a book, and grace before sketching, painting, swimming, fencing, boxing, walking, playing, dancing, grace before I dip the pen in the ink. So who is saying? The writer G.K. Chesterton. Chesterton. Okay. So he is saying, the writer is saying, so whenever I start anything, it could be any play, concert, opera, pantomime. Pantomime is a kind of art where we don't speak. We don't speak. With the help of only gestures, hand movements, we express the thoughts and everything. So that is a kind of art. Like I'm opening the door. If I'm opening the door, I'll do like that. I'll not be speaking. I'll be
Okay.
showing it through gesture only. Right? So that is a kind of art, that is pantomime. So whenever I do this or play or any opera or concert, or when I open the book, anything, whatever I am doing. So let's say if somebody is starting sketching, whatever I am good at. Okay. So if before I start anything, like I'm good at teaching, but I'm not very good at cooking. Yeah, I am okay with cooking, but I'm not very good at cooking. So if I have to make anything nice, so what I can do? So before I start cooking, so I can say thank you so that it will become better. So what I want, what is the meaning of outcome? Outcome means result of doing something. What kind of result we want to see, that is called outcome. What is the outcome of this? So let's say I'm making a painting, I'm making a picture. What is the outcome of this? It is going to be okay painting, or it is going to be a masterpiece. So let's say I am going to prepare something in the kitchen, maybe pizza or burger, some kind of. Okay, somebody is like telling, okay, mama, ye banao. Right? So I am going and I am preparing something. So I can make okay dish as well, and I can make the masterpiece as well. So if I add gratitude before I start, so it will become a masterpiece. But if I don't say, it is just going and I'm daily like I'm making and I'm thinking something else, or mera dhyan kahin hai, I'm thinking something, right? So at that time, like it will not be very nice. It might possible that it will not become like very good. But if you want that whatever you are cooking, it should be your masterpiece. कि सब खाएं तो कहे कि मजा आ गया, मम्मा आपने बनाया क्या है, right? So what you have to do for that? Before you start something, you haven't even started, you are saying thank you for the magnificent outcome. What does it mean? That means you want to see the magnificent outcome. That means you want to see a masterpiece. It could be sketching, it could be like painting, or it could be going to sing some, you are going to sing something, any song. So before you start, you say thank you for the magnificent outcome. And believe me, guys, when you end your song, everybody is going to appreciate you like anything. It is going to be your magnificent one. It is going to be your masterpiece. If beforehand you say this, so make it a habit whenever you're going to start something. So say thank you. Thank you for the magnificent outcome. So let's say you are going for the grocery. Okay, so you want to buy some grocery. You are going to shop, and before leaving the house, you are saying like thank you for the magnificent outcome. You are just thinking and feeling कि मेरा वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा experience रहने वाला है. Let's say you don't like shopping. You don't like to go to like buy groceries. So, but beforehand, if you say thank you for the magnificent outcome and you feel it a little, and it is going to be magical one, you are going to enjoy, your experience is going to be magnificent, right? So in this way, so I to use this practice in so many ways for so many things whatever I start. So this is one of my favorites, so I do it a lot many times. So you also start doing it.
I used
So
to do it
okay,
from
so
very.
you also do it.
Yes, yes.
Very nice, very
Means,
nice, we all can
means,
do it.
yes, means I just pray, just make my whatever I am cooking, just make it tasty
Hmm.
and sufficient. Means that is barkat
Hmm.
wala. That is.
Hmm. Yes, 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 we can do it. And before reading also, sometimes you know what I do when I read something. Earlier also I used to read, but nowadays what I am doing when I learned these kind of practices, so whenever I learn a book, whenever I read a book, so I before reading I say thank you for the magnificent outcome. What does it mean? That means I want to learn something कि मैं एक पेज पढूं और मुझे कुछ बहुत अच्छा सा कुछ मिल जाए, and my purpose is solved. मुझे कुछ पंच लाइन मिल गया बहुत अच्छा सा, that I am gonna use in my sessions. So that also happens. If I start, before I start reading any book, so I do this. I say this, yeah, thank you for the magnificent outcome. So I get that 4 to 5 line that I can use in my sessions, that I have learned it, I have seen this is really magical, and I share this with my student. So this happens. Earlier, though, I was just reading and for the sake of reading. But no, nowadays, whenever I'm doing this practice, so I'm getting something out of this. And sometimes I'm getting solutions for my small issues, and sometimes I'm getting something like law of attraction. So nowadays I know a lot many things about law of attraction. How do I know? How do I know? Reading only. Earlier I couldn't remember anything because I was just reading for the sake of reading. But now I have to teach it. For that I have to remember it. I have to learn it. If it is there, then only I'll be able to speak that much. But earlier I didn't have to speak. मुझे बोलना नहीं होता था. But nowadays I have to speak out all those things. So I need that. So that's why before I read, so I say this. Thank you for the magnificent outcome. And that is done. I read few pages and this is done. Or sometimes when I used to read, I was like zone out. मैं रीडिंग कर रही हूँ और मैं कहीं और. It used to happen in our
Mm.
childhood, na, whenever we
Yes,
when we sit in
ma'am.
the class and our teacher is like teaching and we are just zone out. हम कहीं के कहीं पहुंचे हुए हैं. And teacher is teaching and we are just thinking something else. And the teacher वो चौक निकालती है वहां से, yes पूनम खड़े हो जाओ, हाँ क्या हो गया. So sometimes it happens. Now these are like it is not happening. So I am like fully focused because I have to get something from that book, right? Okay, so we all want good outcomes to everything we do, whatever we do. So we want to get that good outcomes of that in giving thanks before he perform. So see, we are talking about this G.K. The writer, right? In giving thanks before he performed any action, the writer Gilbert Keith Chesterton used the magic of gratitude to guarantee the outcome he wanted, whatever outcome he wanted. So when we do this practice, that is guaranteed. It guarantees that it is going to happen. It is bound to happen. होने ही वाला है. It is bound to happen because we have already said thank you. Sometimes you know advance में thank you. So it's a kind of that. So you will have hard times. You will have had times when you thought to yourself, I hope this goes well, or I hope this turns out okay, or I am going to need a lot of luck. All these thoughts are hoping for a good outcome to a situation. So sometimes we feel like, yeah, I'm going to need a good, like a lot of luck. I hope this goes well. Ki acha hoga, acha hoga. We are just thinking and thinking and thinking and thinking. But you start your day with that. Thank you for the magnificent outcome whenever you are going to do. So that is guarantees. It gives you the guarantee that yes, your magnificent outcome is bound to happen. All these thoughts are hoping for a good outcome. So we used to say ना, हम बोलते हैं ये सब लोग, आई होप दिस, भगवान करे अच्छा हो जाए, अच्छा हो जाए, अच्छा हो जाए, काइंड ऑफ. So why do we say like that? But now instead of saying all those things, or instead of worrying, instead of thinking a lot about all those things, simple, thank you for the magnificent outcome. But life doesn't happen by chance or because of a stroke of luck. There is no luck, it's only gratitude. The laws of the universe operate mathematically to the finest possible degree. That is something you can count on. So you have to believe on. You have to believe it. That the law of the universe. What is the law of universe? Law of attraction, law of gravity. So you have to count on that. That means you have to believe it. And we have learned it, we have seen it, we have used it. So that's why we know it. Okay. So all these rules are like permanent. Okay. So a pilot doesn't hope that the laws of physics will keep working during his flight because he knows the laws of physics will never fail. You don't go into your day and hope that the law of gravity will keep you on the ground so you don't float off into the space. You know, there is no chance at play, and gravity's law will never fail. Gravity is always there. We don't doubt it. We don't say कि plane ऊपर जाने के बाद नीचे आएगा नहीं. We know, we believe in that. We trust. We have faith because the law of gravity is working. Whatever goes out, it comes down. It comes down. Law of gravity. So that is the truth. So we never doubt that. So similarly, you don't have to doubt gratitude as well. Gratitude guarantees your success. If you want magnificent outcomes to everything you do, then you have to use the law that governs outcomes. That is the law of attraction. Law of attraction. That governs outcome. The law of attraction. Law of attraction works. That means you have to use your thoughts and feelings to attract magnificent outcomes to you. And being grateful for magnificent outcome is one of the simplest way to do it. One of the simplest way to do it. So this we can easily do. We just have to sit at home. Sit at home. You just cross your legs and you can play any music and you just have to say thank you. Very easy. Is it that hard? No. Right? So we can attract the magnificent outcomes. How? By being grateful. So it's in our hand because we are the magnets. Whatever you generate, you create. What you think about, you bring about. जो भी आप सोचते हो वही होता है. The magnificent outcomes practice is being grateful before you do something you want to go well. जो चीज भी आप अच्छा करना चाहते हो, right? So the magnificent outcome practice is being grateful before you do something you want to go well. Something you want to go well. आप चाहते हो कि ये चीज अच्छी हो जाए, right? So beforehand, before you didn't even start, so you want that magnificent outcome. So you have to be grateful before you do it, before you start it. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome to the work meeting. If you are a working professional, so beforehand you can be thankful for your work meeting, for your job interviews. If you are going for an interview, beforehand, definitely you will get the job. Or your interview is going to be awesome, one of the best one. Or for your exam, if you are going for any exam, thank you for the magnificent outcome. And you will be surprised to see जो जो भी क्वेश्चन आपने लर्न किए वही वही आए. The magnificent outcome to the sports game, phone call, catch up with a friend, or seeing your mother in law. Rhonda Byrne is also talking about mother in law. Okay, so mother in law के पैर पकड़ लेना. Thank you, मम्मी जी, आप मेरी लाइफ में आए. You are the blessing for me. If you had not there, I would have been, I don't know where. Right? So you could be grateful
Mm.
for the magnificent outcome to your exercise routine. Whenever you start doing exercise, before exercise, for your magnificent outcome, for your magnificent results, before you start exercise, you can say, thank you for the magnificent outcome. Your pet's vet appointment or your medical or dental checkup. So, for small, small things, you can do it. Wherever you are going for dental checkup or you are going to like for vet appointment. अगर आपके डॉगी को या कैटी को कुछ हो गया and you have taken the appointment, so you can say that everything should go well. So instead of saying everything should go well, thank you for magnificent outcome. Instead of saying something else. Otherwise, you will be thinking so many things. क्या होगा क्या होगा, वहां बैठे बैठे भी सोचते रहोगे क्या होगा क्या होगा. डेंटल चेकअप के लिए गए, कहीं दर्द तो नहीं होगा, कहीं इंजेक्शन तो नहीं लगेगा, कुछ पेन तो नहीं होगा. सो वैसे भी तो नेगेटिव सोच रहे हैं. इट्स बेटर यू शुड बी ग्रेटफुल. सो यू हैव टू चॉइसेस. You can think negative or you can think positive. Is
अच्छा.
negative thinking is going to help you? No, it is not going to help you. Then why to be negative? Leave it. Be positive. Right? So that is the choice. You just have to shift your energy. You can think negative, you can think positive. So the choice is yours. So better you choose positive one. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome when an electrician, plumber, or any trade person is addressing a problem in your home. The magnificent outcome to a family outing. So now I have already started practicing. So I want to tell you this thing as well. As I am going Goa, okay. So for 1 week, so I have already practicing like this. So whenever I am going for shopping, right? So I have already starting saying that. Thank you for the magnificent outcomes. I'll be getting that dress. I'll be doing this. I'll be doing that. So I have started visualization as well. So where I will be going, how will I be going, what will I be wearing, what will I be doing, where I will be staying. So visualization. And wherever I'll be staying, thank you for the magnificent hour. It's going to be the amazing one. राइट. सो फॉर स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स, कुछ प्लम्बर को बुलाना है, कुछ इलेक्ट्रिशियन को बुलाना है, कुछ पंखा खराब हो गया, कुछ ये खराब हो गया. फॉर एवरीथिंग वी हैव टू मेक इट अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ एज मच एज वी कैन. Magnificent outcome to a family outing, conversation with your child about their behavior, or heart to heart with your partner. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome to a purchase you will be making, such as a birthday gift, engagement ring, or wedding dress, or magnificent outcome to choosing a new cell phone, new carpet, drapes. Drapes means curtains. Curtains. Drapes is curtains. Or renovation company. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome for a reservation at a restaurant or great seats for a concert and magnificent outcome to your daily mail, your daily emails, or your tax refund for the year. So sometimes it happens when we go to any restaurant, we see that there is no seat available, right? So before leaving your house, so let's say you have to go to like Taj Hotel and the whole Taj is booked. And before you leave your place, if you say thank you for the magnificent outcome, right? So you will get the seat. Nowhere, no, like from nowhere, out of nowhere, you will get the seat. So universe will work for you because whatever goes around comes around. You have said thank you to universe. So now this is universe job. How it will make happen for you? How it is going to do for you, right? But don't doubt in that case. But yes, this is going to happen. If it helps you to believe in the magical power of gratitude to create magnificent outcomes, you can wave your fingers through the air and imagine you are sparkling magic dust over the event you want to turn out magnificently. So similarly, like in the same way. So let's say you are going to a restaurant. Before you leave, you are just sprinkling the magic dust. where you want to sit in that particular restaurant. So you just visualize, yeah, this is my seat, I want to sit here. Yeah, sprinkle the magic dust and thank you for the magnificent outcome. So practice it for small, small things. Small, small things. गाइस 40-50 साल वैसे भी निकाल दिए। अब जितने बचे हैं वी हैव टू लिव विद द ग्रैटिट्यूड। राइट, इतने सालों तक कुछ नहीं किया तो अभी भागना है। राइट। Okay, so another time to use gratitude for magnificent outcomes is when something unexpected happens during your day. Okay, let me read it once again. I was zone out. I was thinking something else that I have to tell you this thing. Yeah, I'll let you know. Another time to use gratitude for magnificent outcome is when something unexpected happens during your day. When something unexpected happens, very often we jump to the conclusion and immediately think there is something wrong when something unexpected happens. So we sometimes we start being negative. For example, you arrive at work and are told that the boss wants to see you right away. So let's say you reach to your place, okay, you're reaching to your office and you get to know your boss is calling. What will be your first thought? What will be your first thought? Yes. If you reach to your workplace and you get to know, आपके कलीग ने बताया, your colleague is telling you, okay, your boss is calling you. What will be your first thought? आज तो वाट लग गई। पता नहीं क्या होगा, क्यों बुलाया। Why is he or she calling? So there is something wrong. But guys, we
Negative.
never like think positive, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So, but like otherwise we could think like maybe increment मिलने वाला हो, maybe boss is going to talk about some incentive, maybe we are going to get any promotion. We don't think positive thing, वो negative पहले आता है कि क्यों बुलाया होगा। Right, so let's see what's the answer for this. Yes, sometimes it happens, some unexpected things happen. Okay, so for example, you arrive at work and you are told that your boss wants to see you the right away. Abhi ke abhi. The problem with jumping to conclusions and thinking there is something wrong is that the law of attraction says that what you think and feel you will attract. So there is nothing wrong with your boss. It is because of your thinking only. You are thinking negative, that means you are attracting negative and you should be ready for that negative because you have attracted. You are thinking negative. Na, yeah, something is wrong. There is something wrong. So if something wrong happens, it's not because of boss, it's because of you, because you created that energy that there is something wrong. Who created this energy? You created this energy. If something wrong happens, who is at fault? You
Our
or
fault.
boss?
My fault.
Of
My
course,
fault.
we are the we are at fault. It's our problem. It's not boss problem. We created it. Magnet. So what we have to do now onwards? So suppose you are going to meet your boss. You are going to meet your boss, right? So this is the fact. Don't make story because fact plus story equal to drama. That you know. Fact plus story equal to drama. So don't create drama, don't create story. Look at the fact and say thank you for the magnificent outcome. And you will see the magnificent outcome. अगर उसको कुछ नेगेटिव होना भी होगा ना, कुछ बोलना भी होगा, it will become positive for you. At least for you. Because you have said thank you for the magnificent outcome. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So the law of attraction says that what you think and feel, you will attract to you. So instead of jumping to conclusions and thinking you might be in trouble, take the opportunity to make the magic happen by being grateful for a magnificent outcome. So what you have to say before you go there, so you have to say thank you for the magnificent outcome. So there are many examples today Rhonda one is giving. So next example, if you miss your bus or train on your way to work or miss a flight or are unexpected delayed, instead of thinking this is bad, be grateful for the magnificent outcome so that you put the magic into motion to receive a magnificent outcome. So have you heard there was a plane crash and many people died and in that
Hyderabad.
yeah,
In this year,
somebody had to board the flight, but that person somehow missed that flight because
only one person, ma'am. In this year happened in Hyderabad. flight
Okay.
to UK.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
When the flight was started, immediately crashed. So UK
ना
flight, ma'am.
दिस ईयर तो हैपन दैट वो एयर इंडिया वाला फ्लाइट
Yes, ma'am.
या दिस ईयर
Ahmedabad.
तो हैपन दैट आई
No,
नो
Ahmedabad, yes, ma'am. This year.
Ahmedabad.
हैदराबाद में थी
Hyderabad में
हैदराबाद
Ahmedabad.
या दैट आई नो
Ahmedabad में crash immediately in a few seconds.
या विद इन few seconds that I know
Only
that I
one
know
person,
One person,
only
only
one
one
person are
person who
not dead,
jumped
right?
out
yes,
he was the only survivor. He was the
yes.
only survivor from that flight. Yeah, that I know. But I'm talking about long back. So there is a movie also on that. You know what is that movie? So in that plane crash, like so many people, those who couldn't board the flight, who were the survivors, so they took the interviews, or like what was the reason, why couldn't you board the flight, so now you are safe. And those who took the flight, they all are died, they all are dead now, and you are the survivors. So there is a movie on that. So what I want to say is, so that why that person got laid. Okay, because his wife couldn't prepare the sandwich for him on time, and it got burnt, and he was very late for reaching to the airport, so that's why he missed the flight, and he was a survivor. अब बताओ अच्छा हुआ क्या बुरा हुआ? He missed the flight. If he had been in that flight, he would have died. So it was good for it, that was a good problem to happen. अब उसके लिए तो अच्छा ही हो गया, राइट?
Good problem.
अदरवाइज क्या, वो मुझे लगा झगड़ा भी कर रहा होगा, लेट भी हो रहा होगा, अब देखो कितना अच्छा हो गया उसके लिए. So sometimes we have that kind of situation. So वो कहीं ना कहीं से, if you people had done the gratitude practice, if you people do gratitude somewhere in the universe, it will come. It will come, because वो universe किसी का रखता नहीं है. What goes around comes around. You have given gratitude, so it will come to you out of nowhere. राइट,
Blessing
उस
in
तक
this.
पहुंचा, किसी ना किसी तरह से पहुंचा. देखो वो ही वॉज अ सर्वाइवर, एंड देयर वर मेनी पीपल हु सर्वाइव्ड बिकॉज दे मिस द फ्लाइट. मतलब 4-5 वो लोग थे. दैट मूवी इज बेस्ड ऑन दैट ओनली. सो आई सडनली रिमेम्बर, तो आई थॉट ऑफ शेयरिंग. Okay, the next one, next example. So this is again an example. If you are a parent and you are asked to attend an unexpected meeting at school about your child, instead of thinking there is a problem, be grateful for the magnificent outcome. If you receive an unexpected phone call, email, or letter, and the thought flashes into your mind, I wonder what's wrong. Immediately be grateful for the magnificent outcome before you pick up the call or open the email or letter. So before even we pick up the call, we start thinking negative. क्यों किया होगा? What's the reason? What's the purpose? Why that person is calling me suddenly? Or if we get any phone call from school, let's say बच्चे स्कूल गए हुए, फोन आ गया स्कूल से, we will again start thinking negative. जरूर बच्चे ने कुछ किया होगा, या किसी का मारा पीटा होगा, या कुछ किया होगा. So we think only negative.
Yes, ma'am.
So now stop doing that. Instead, think something good. But we will have to make it a habit. जैसे वो negative, we have been thinking a lot, like negative thoughts are coming and coming, keep going, again and again coming. Why? Because we are habituated of thinking that way. So now we will have to change the pattern, because that is the pattern. That has become the pattern. Now we just have to shift the pattern, change the pattern. जैसे वो नेगेटिव की हैबिट बनाई, बट नेगेटिव हैबिट बनाने में 40-50 साल लगे. अब वो पॉजिटिव बनाने में भी इट इज गोइंग टू टेक टाइम. वो एकदम से नहीं आएगा कि 1 महीने ग्रेटिट्यूड, वो इतना है, वो 28 डेज तक ही रहने वाला है. 28 डेज तक ही मैजिक रहने वाला है. ओके, वी विल हैव टू कंटिन्यू इट,
Oh, yes.
राइट?
This is
अदरवाइज यू
the
विल से, मैम वो कहाँ गया मैजिक, तब तो हो रहा था, आफ्टर दैट वेयर इट इज.
yes, ma'am.
So most of the time you will see and experience the magnificent outcome you ask for, and occasionally you won't even know how you benefited from an unexpected event. The same example I have given you. So you will never know like how you benefited from an unexpected event, कि मैं बच कैसे गया. But when you ask for a magnificent outcome and feel sincerely gratitude for it, you are using the mathematical law of attraction, and you must receive a magnificent outcome back somewhere at some time. Somewhere at some time, guaranteed. मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. अब इतने लोगों में से वो 4 लोग ही क्यों बचे? समथिंग दे वुड हैव डन, कुछ तो किया होगा. So, whenever you find yourself thinking there is a chance at play with something in your life, or thinking you have no control over something, when you find yourself hoping something will turn out well, remember that there is no chance for the law of attraction. You will get what you are thinking and feeling. You will always get what you are thinking, what you are feeling. You will always get, because what you seek is also seeking you. So, gratitude helps protect you from attracting what you don't want, bad outcomes, and it ensures you get what you do want, magnificent outcomes. So, guys, this year, 2026, I want you to sit with pen and paper. Pen and paper, you will get some clarity. On the left side of paper, you write what you don't want, what you don't want, and on right hand side you write what do you want, what do you will get that clarity, that what we have to delete, what we have to remove from our life, and what we want to do in our life. What do we want? You will get that clarity कि ये चीजें
Okay,
मुझे
ma'am.
चाहिए, तो इसके लिए मुझे क्या क्या करना है. So
Okay,
sit with
ma'am.
pen and paper. What do you don't want, what you don't want, and what you want. So sit with pen and paper and make some goals, and like set some intentions for 2026. You will get
Ma'am,
that clarity.
don't want means give me one example. I
That
mean,
means something that you want to let go. That आपको
okay.
fear चाहिए, you don't want that fear.
Mhm.
Do you
Okay.
want that doubt? You don't want that doubt. Do you want that like confidence that we want? Communicate,
Mm.
good communication that we
Yes.
want, courage that we want, fear we don't want, doubt we don't want. So whatever you don't want. डू यू वांट द नीड ऑफ
Okay.
वैलिडेशन, कि आपको किसी से कुछ पूछना पड़े किसी चीज के लिए, द नीड ऑफ वैलिडेशन, नो आई डोंट वांट. सो उसको व्हाट यू डोंट वांट की लिस्ट में डालो. मुझे एंजाइटी चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए. एंगर
Mm.
चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए. व्हाट डू यू वांट? सो आप
Health.
उसको लिखोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा, आई हैव दिस, आई हैव एंगर इन साइड मी, एंड दैट आई डोंट वांट. आई
Okay.
डोंट वांट दैट टेंशन और डिप्रेशन और स्ट्रेस और प्रेशर भी नहीं चाहिए. जो भी whatever is coming to your mind, at least you will get that clarity. Yes, I have all those things, and you will be surprised to see कि देखो मुझे कितना कुछ नहीं चाहिए, but I have all those things, and slowly then only you will start to like working on that you don't want.
Okay.
And write down your wins also. Wins, what are your wins? Every small win, small win, big win, and you will get to know. कई बार लगता है यार हमने क्या किया 25 years में. So today when I started writing my wins, and you will be surprised to know that I was able to write 14 wins. अभी मैंने 14 ही लिखी थी, तो क्लास का जैसे टाइम हो गया. 14 wins, right? So in one community, like I became diamond member. After that, I became platinum member. I resigned and I started life mindset. Now I'm becoming life coach, mindset coach, transformational coach, to see growth around me, non-stop attending the sessions, non-stop taking the session. Got so many certificates, awards, and recognition in this year. Attended Success Gyan events 3 times, in February, in August, and in December. So like these are small wins. Like showing up for the session is also the win. आप सेशन में आए, दैट इज ऑल्सो द विन.
Yes.
आपकी विन है ना. देखो, नहीं तो आप बैठे
Mm.
होते घर में, यू हैड अ चॉइस टू सिट एट होम, बट यू आर शोइंग अप इन द सेशन, दैट इज योर विन. सो दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट डाउन. एंड आई वॉज सरप्राइज टू से, यार पूनम तूने कितना कुछ किया. अदरवाइज तो वी ऑलवेज अंडर एस्टिमेट द पावर ऑफ
Mm.
आवर ओन सेल्फ, कि हमने क्या किया. वेन आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग आई वॉज अमेज, यार कितना कुछ किया, कितने सेशन लिए, कितना मतलब कहाँ कहाँ मैं जाकर आई, अकेले मैंने ट्रेवल किया, कितने रिकॉग्निशन अवार्ड्स, कितना दिस स्मॉल थिंग्स. And in this year, I have taken the part in Likhega India mission, and today it was the last day. and somehow I couldn't make my KDP Amazon dot account and my book was not published. And like मैं एक महीने से मतलब मैं बुक लिख रही हूँ लिख रही हूँ लिख रही हूँ लिख रही हूँ. I was a part of लिखेगा इंडिया mission and today it was a world record and we had to publish 1000 books on a single day by my but my book didn't get published because of I was not able to create like KDP account. So I could have been like very like emotional also, like I like I was emotional that I couldn't do that. But yeah, it's okay, fine. नहीं हुआ तो कोई बात नहीं यार, नेक्स्ट टाइम इट्स ओके. अगर मैं उसको लेके पकड़ के बैठ जाऊं तो मेरा आगे वाला भी खराब हो जाएगा. इट्स ओके, फाइन. सो आफ्टर दिस सेशन आई एम गोना ट्राई अगेन because still I have time. 2 hours I have. So today is the last day, 17. Everybody's book is getting published now, and the people are in the session since morning. Like 1,000 people had to publish the book, and I was also one of them. But anyhow, I couldn't do that. But I wrote the book. That is also the win. पूरे महीने में मैंने एक बुक लिख डाली यार. मैंने आज तक कभी सोचा ही नहीं कि मैं बुक लिखूंगी. And that was really amazing. Amazing. And the name of my book was English with Gratitude. See how amazing I got this idea, English with Gratitude. I wrote the book. Let's see, still I have time. I'll try once again. So today we published 1,000 books in the morning.
Oh.
And still we are doing. There are many people. I enrolled in a course for writing the book. Like something
Congrats,
different,
ma'am, and
different
all
that
the
we are
best.
thinking, ना कुछ अलग अलग हम लोग सोच रहे हैं. That is also the win, which we never thought of doing. Okay, so where we were. When you are grateful for magnificent outcomes, you are using universal law and changing hopes and chance into faith and certainty. कि yes, this is bound to happen. Certainty, पक्का होगा ही होगा. When gratitude becomes your way of life, you automatically go into everything you do with gratitude, knowing that magic of gratitude will produce a magnificent outcome. The more you practice magnificent outcomes and make it a daily habit, the more magnificent outcomes you will attract into your life. Less and less you will find yourself in situation that you don't want to be. It will reduce, problems will reduce, challenges will reduce. You won't find yourself in the wrong place at the wrong time. Aeroplane wala example. And no matter what happens in your day, you will know with absolute certainty that the outcome will be magnificent. At the beginning of the day, at the beginning of today, choose 3 separate situations where you would like magnificent outcomes. You can choose 3 things that are important to you in your life currently, such as a job interview coming up, an application for a loan, an exam, or doctor's appointment. You can also start by selecting 3 things that are normally humdrum activities. Humdrum is day-to-day activities, small activities for you. That is boring for you. You don't like those activities. Normally, humdrum activities for you, because when the magic happens to those humdrum activities, you will be really convinced that you attracted the magnificent outcome. For example, you could choose your drive to work, doing the ironing, going to the bank or post office, picking up the kids, paying the bills, or collecting the mail. Whatever you don't like. Sometimes we don't like some of the things. So, but sometimes we have to do it. We don't have any other option. Otherwise, who is going to do it? Like dropping the kids and picking up from school. That I don't like. But sometimes I have to do it. So then we can do this practice and it is going to be magical. When I go on scooty, so I love it. I enjoy it. Earlier it was not like that. But now I like enjoy. Make a written list of the 3 situations you have chosen for magnificent outcomes. Use gratitude's magical power, and as you write each one, imagine that you are writing about each one after it has happened. So, how you have to do it? So, what you have to do? You have to choose 3 things that you have to do today, right? For that, you want it to be like magnificent outcome. It should be like magnificent outcome for you, जिसका outcome आपको अच्छा मिले. So you have to choose these 3 activities. So let's say ironing. आपको iron करना है. Thank you for the magnificent outcome for doing this for this beautiful ironing. For the beautiful iron. मैंने बहुत अच्छे से आप कपड़े वो किए. Thank you for the magnificent outcome to the टू की जगह फॉर लगा लो. थैंक यू फॉर द मैग्निफिसेंट आउटकम फॉर मेकिंग दिस ब्यूटीफुल राइस करी और राइस राजमा टुडे और मूली का पराठा टुडे. वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू मेक, whatever you are going to do, before that you have to say thank you for the magnificent outcome, and after that you can add that thing. Got it, everyone? If you are going somewhere, कहीं डेंटिस्ट के जाना है, कहीं डॉक्टर के पास जाना है, wherever you are going, before that you have to say this, and you have to feel it as if it is done, कि हो गया, बहुत अच्छे से हो गया. For the second step of this magical practice, you are going to choose 3 unexpected things that arise today. So no need to do it 2 times, you have to do it once. You can choose 3 activities, 3 activities. So both are the same things, almost same. Unexpected चुनो या फिर आपको जो कुछ करना है उसके लिए. Because you cannot do it multiple times or 2 or 3 times. There is no need. So I'm suggesting do it only for 3 activities जो आपको करना है, जो आपको चाहते हो कि अच्छे से हो जाए. Right? For that you have to write thank you for the magnificent outcome. So I'm just reading. For the second step of this magical practice, you are going to choose 3 unexpected things that arise today and use the magical power of gratitude for their magnificent outcomes as well. You could do this practice before you take 3 phone calls. जैसे आपको phone call की कोई बुरी खबर तो नहीं है. For before taking the call, you can say thank you for the magnificent outcomes. Or before you open 3 mails and 3 letters in the mail, before you do unexpected errand में छोटे मोटे काम, or anything else expected that comes up in the day. This part of the practice is not so much about what expected events you choose as it is about you practicing gratitude for magnificent outcomes on the little unexpected things. Each time an unexpected event arises, जैसे बॉस ने बुलाया या कॉल आया किसी का, so close your eyes briefly if you can and mentally say the feel the magic word thank you for the magnificent outcome to dash. You can't do this magical practice too much because the more you practice it, the more magnificent outcomes you will have in life as a matter of course. So that means it doesn't mean that you can't do this magical practice too much. So it means जितना करो उतना कम है. So this is a negative statement, but this is negative statement. So I was reading this structure. This statement means is जितना करो उतना कम है. Right? You can't do this magical practice too much before because the more you practice it, the more magnificent outcomes you will have in your life as a matter of course. But practicing it today will get you into the idea of it. And in the future, if you ever find yourself in a situation where you are hoping for a good outcome or thinking you need luck, you will immediately turn to the magical power of gratitude and make magnificent outcomes a certainty in your life. So you have to practice it. You have to make it a habit of doing this practice. So whenever you are going to start anything, so you have to start with this only. Thank you for magnificent outcome. So what you have to do, I have already told you that count your blessing that we always do. Make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, reread your list and say thank you, thank you, thank you. And for today's practice, what you have to do at the beginning of today, choose 3 things or situations that are important to you or unexpected things. So I'm not saying that you do more, but yeah, for 3 things you have to do it where you want magnificent outcomes. List your 3 things, write each one as though you are writing after it has happened. Thank you for the magnificent outcome to dash. So this is also same. Instead of unexpected, so I'm telling that you have to do only 3 things. You can do it for unexpected things and you can do it for normal any 3 things. And just before you go to sleep tonight, you have to do the magic rock practice. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? मजा आया?
Yes, ma'am. बहुत.